Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Satriani. My student ID R1B1190024. I want to tell you a story about one of the traditions that exists in my village, namely in Wakatobi district. Wakatobi in Sohet, Sulawesi has a series of natural field and cultural traditions that steal the attention of tourists. One of them is the tradition of finding a mat which is held annually by the Wakatobi community, namely Kabuenga. Kabuenga is a tradition of finding a life partner typical of Wakatobi Regency, Sohet Sulawesi Province. This tradition began when local youth and girls rarely had the opportunity to meet. In the past, young people often sailed to migrate, so it was difficult to meet girls. For this reason, single men and women are there brought together in the Kabuenga. This Kabuenga tradition activity is held in an open field and is attended by all Wakatobi residents who are both men and women. Kabuenga tradition is held once a year, which is after celebrating Eid al-Fitr. The traditional elders chose the celebration of Eid al-Fitr as the most appropriate moment to hold the Kabuenga traditional because on Muslim holidays, the Wakatobi people who have migrated to various regions in Indonesia, even abroad, return home. Our ancestors made the Kabuenga tradition as a means of bringing together young people who have entered adolescence or adulthood to get to know each other. Among those who meet each other in this ritual can grow the seeds of love and can lead to teenagers to marriage. The Kabuenga tradition is considered to have sacred value because the ritual begins with a ritual prayer, procession by two traditional elders who have been appointed by the customary institution. During this procession, the women sell food and drinks. They are dressed distinctively custom local colored folio. In the past, a man who was interested in a woman would buy her food or drink from the sale and purchase of food. It is hoped that the man will continue his relationship by visiting the house of the idol is heard. That is all about story the Kabuenga tradition that exists in Wakatobi that I can share. More and less please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.